Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Financial Hub. If you're planning to send or receive international payments through Westpac Bank, you will need the correct SWIFT code. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to find it using a simple online search. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to your search engine and type Westpac Bank SWIFT code. Hit search. Now look through the search results for links from official sources. For example, Westpac's official website provides accurate and up-to-date information. For this video, let me go with this one. So here, SWIFT code for Australia looks something like this. But yes, always ensure that the SWIFT code matches the specific branch or service you are using. If you're uncertain about the correct SWIFT code, it's a good idea to contact Westpac's customer service or check your bank statements where the SWIFT code is often listed. And yes, that's it. You now know how to find the SWIFT code for Westpac Bank quickly and easily. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more helpful banking and finance tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.